Fortnite said that you can't turn without using your handlebars, or that it's essential to use your handlebars to turn. I will link his video in the description. He was using a fixed handlebar. This gas tank, as you can see, is quite wide. It's almost to the handlebars, so we could just use that. I'm pretty sure that Fortnite is wrong, and let's run a few experiments. That's gonna be our cruise control. Alright, let's see what happens. Right, 90. As you can see, we can turn. The responsiveness is quite lower, but we can definitely turn. As you can see, I can very easily turn it. Let's check this steep corner at 70. Maybe slow down even a little bit more to about 60. Yeah, and we make it quite easy. Just speed up a bit. I don't know where he got his views from, but it can definitely be ridden like that. And it should be ridden with the hips, but not only hips, hands and hips. You want the hips to pivot when you turn. So let's say we want to go left, want to go right. With the gas tank only, I don't know, it's almost harder with the gas tank, maybe because it's slippery or I'm not used to it. At around 40 you can really easily feel in control with your legs, with your hips. You could quite easily just either slalom it, which is the easiest, or just adjust. We want to come here, let's go to the right. Boom. Still quite fast. You can definitely very easily turn without using the handlebars, and you should. You should always use both your hips and your hands. Together they make this nice uniform movement, or balanced movement, I have to say.